What's up, viewers and subscribers? You know, it's your boy Alex. So today, me and my dad will be doing some finishing touches to the Williams family's new house. So we're gonna do the pit today, and then we only have the bathroom. The guy who is gonna do the bathroom says Monday he will be available. So just to get things ready by then. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you'd like to donate towards the project, you can do so. My contact number will be on the screen. So guys, I'm excited. The 16th of this month coming is gonna be my birthday. So like, share, comment, stay tuned. I'm out. Maybe that part there for go down there pit, man.
This will go down in the pit.
No. Get there.
So I go on. Just a thing like this. You understand me? I will go down to this. I don't understand have a thing like this. Catch up on the pipe, I will come down this. You understand me? And the same thing for right.
No, them there go run with, man. Them there sitting in the water. Yeah. That now go down in the pit.
It's not going to pit.
No.
So the bathroom pipe.
Yeah, they say enough to go in the pit.
Oh, the guys are run too much water.
Yeah.
So I just that way I carry them in there.
Yeah.
So watch what I go on. Look quite the wrong thing in mind. That's what I go on. You need a thing like that here for me. So I'm going to cut off a piece of that now to put in there.
To go around.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You go in this also.
So I just then two sides are wrong. No, that I reduce it.
This? But this is our inside out.
Inside a big one.
Yeah. Or which part of the big one? You understand me? If I something like this, which one will you see me?
Yeah.
So what we are going is you want an elbow. Under them.
Yeah.
Up on this side.
A bigger elbow and fatter one.
You go by the side now. Now go on here. Go on here, so.
Yeah.
I want to press it. You understand? Go over, so careful. I'm going to cut them two things and take a part then I'm going to come in. So you can see a lot of things before I'll be also in them neck on my I say I read people to come to the work. And boys about money. Jamaican to work. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Nobody I try for hustle a thing and carry. So the plumber will come and him want to stretch out the work for you get too much money out of it.
Alright, so is that this one? Is of it?
Yeah.
And next side, okay. I'm on the other side. I got this one.
Street.
No man, it look like a desert ago. A desert ago? Oh, so. We need one more of them, and fatter size.
We still need to make sure it fits in this thing.
So a pipe itself. Alright. Maybe it have to cut again.
This?
Yeah, pipe have to cut again.
Cut man, see it too long, so I will cut it and get part of it can do that. This length.
Yeah. So when you cut it, you want to know its size, so I can know which part for it top to go by. So you have to go cut it now. I go for Yaksa. Yeah, me I go for your saw blade. So guys, I'm father there today. Do the little plumbing, you know? Make things easier more than for pay somebody if you do it, to just go and do it yourself. See it, daddy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, in my mark it and thing for cut it. Show you all inside of the house. From those who haven't seen the inside in a while, if you haven't watched the previous video. This is inside. House looking nice and everything. Just as how I left it. So it's just for us to finish up the bathroom with the tiling. I'm gonna get a guy to come and render off from right here. We're now gonna carry the tile to ceiling. So we're gonna just carry it about halfway. Oh, Tyler? Yeah, I soon tell them that, man. So I make them get a guy, pay a guy to come render it off. Come down to about right here, so above, right above the shower head itself. And then we could purchase the tiles them for tile come down. So just stay tuned. Like, share, comment, tell a friend about Alex Nation. Doing good in his community. Going back outside now, guys. That's Rocky on. And that's what it is. We have to care about that part there.
This one,
One elbow. We have to measure an inch. Said elbow, all me do just get an elbow size of that. I try put the pipe, you reduce a part this upon the pipe, yeah, make us see. Put it on the pipe, the other part. Yeah. That I says, I reduce a part that.
Yeah.
So that means say.
You need the elbow. That's one, that is a teaser. We married anyway back now. This is one to skip the elbow.
You don't want that part, they just want the elbow and like that. You don't want the T.
Same size?
Yeah.
But just an elbow, right?
Yeah, keep your reducer.
Yeah, but keep reducer.
And just send back your elbow.
Yeah,
Alright.
So what take it back?
I don't know, let me see.
I can't buy this one.
Let me see if they might take it back. Maybe they take it back, hopefully.
Ask them. That's the wrong buy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's the right. So what me I say about this thing here? Them two jobs me run out of money.
Yeah. Can just cut them in the meantime.
Yeah, we work on it in the meantime. You know, you come back. The fatter one have to go down first.
Mm-hmm.
And pay.
Yeah.
Alright, boy. Go
So
on,
guys,
go.
I go get the right thing and come back.
Go and change this here. Ego.
Alright. Soon come.
I'll parry the bike. Give me time.
Take your time pocket.
Parry the bike.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so guys, stay tuned.
Watch out, one.
Mm-hmm.
Me use the old cutlass and the hammer and cut it down. Cut out yourself.
See something here.
Watch out, one.
No, this one I thought that it failed. So, this one I take it last and go so. Yes. Important out your pan. And chip off it. Then cut to the axa after. So guys, me just get the stuff for the audio. I go around the back and put it on. Right thing that.
Like what the right thing, you know.
Then I put the reduce in I.
So up to night.
And then the other pipe.
Like so.
Yeah.
Tangent them in a start.
I know.
Check it to see.
You have to cut piece more pipe.
And then I'll put the length of this one. See the axe alright?
Anti-axa. So guys, as you can see, we're up on it. Instead of go pay somebody all. Cause for them plumbing record, then charge there now 15,000 just to do one to look or something. So we just I try a thing and look like it work so far.
I feel like say a millionaire thing. You understand it?
Like that. Man want charge all 20,000 for do this, guys. So just come and do it yourself. Because we want to get the project over with. So just inside of the bathroom, I need to get somebody to come render it off and then we go buy the tile. And then me have to go pay somebody to do the tile. To tile it. So I just that and it over.
Few little step.
Few little step. Just 2 soft leave and then
Cement this thing up.
we'll go towards the opening.
Cast
off it. Yeah man. Need about a bag of cement and 1 length of steel. Cast off the pit. We already have sand and stone. Mine drop in a pit.
Two frog down in there. More than a baby.
Them alright man. Mm-hmm. See there guys. Tiny other part man. Tiny other part. You see part where you cut? That part there if you put a bottom. A top. If you go up a top, if you go up and down. So the part on a cut. Right, there 2 sides then cut. Try use the other one, Daddy.
That one?
Yeah.
It's a small size thing.
Just take time, just rock lay down on it. I'm get it. I'm put it on it here.
Can be. Thing take a bit of time. Oh, shit.
Babe, I'm on the work doing some work right now, so I didn't see the call.